Well, I'm east of Boise, maybe 10 miles. There's a little reservoir over here, private reservoir, but they allow the public to walk over there. The sun's getting low. Coyotes are starting to come alive for the evening. So we'll go over to the water and see if there's any cool waterfowl or birds or other flora, fauna that's interesting. It's very nice out here. It's about 100 something today. Nice, hot, toasty, high desert day. It smells of sage. And it's a pretty neat habitat to explore. Well, I've been noticing these holes in these kind of little rodent diggings, little mounds. But it looks like it's this here wasp. They dig these holes. I'm sure they're solitary. And they probably dig a nice little burrow and then kill something and paralyze them with their sting, lay an egg, and then the larvae hatch out and consume the paralyzed prey, which stays fresh until the larva hatches. But I've never seen this wasp before. It's a pretty good size. My finger. Pretty little guy. I think I hear some cranes. I hear some quail. The forest fire up in the hills. That mountain range. It's peaceful out here. Harsh habitat though. Looks like this sucker didn't stay with the water. Got a little desiccated there. But keep trudging over towards the water and make another video for the birds if I